You looking for your girlfriend? You ready to get it? Woo! Woohoo! What the f was that? That's my woohoo. Oh, all that rain. Look at how green the trees are. Look at those trees. Look at how green they are. Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah. Ah, don't get me. You just flinched. No, I didn't. You just flinched. I did not. No, that wasn't a... Ah, shit! God dang it. Brent just said every like this video gets, he's gonna do 1 push-up in the next video. So let's try to at least get him to do 1 push-up, you guys. Like this video. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and all that other fun stuff, because Corona. Yeah, because you gotta social media that shit. What'd you say? Brethren. The brethren. Stop. Sick him. Get Brent. Get him. It's not the sketchiest thing we've seen so far, don't worry. No, I didn't. I didn't flinch. I didn't even flinch. You flinched, Drew. What's that for? Because you didn't get me. I didn't flinch. Yes, you did. We'll go back and look at the footage. We reviewed the footage. My shoulder moved this much, and he's saying I freaked out. I flipped. Hoot hoot! Oh, I didn't get it on video. What? You didn't get that? Oh, we're back at the shed, dealing with the mud. The boys kicked us off the colony, said get out of here. So, we're back. The rest of that seed's gonna have to wait. Our yard is muddy, but the farmyards that we would have been going to would be extra muddy. So, we're gonna sit tight and find some other stuff to do. And there's lots to do here, so stay with us. Nice, Brent. Good job. Get it! Get it! Oh, baby. So these pallets have been sitting in front of that fridge forever. Finally, we can move them out. We got enough seed moved around that we got space to move. So I'm gonna go see if we got any food. Please be food, please be food, please be food, please be food, please be food. Oh, we got some lunch. Oh. Hey Brent, think fast. Nice. Well, it sucks to be us. We're not getting any seed out of the shed today. Maybe later on, we'll see. I don't know. Guys aren't really too excited for us to track up their yards. So we're gonna we're unhooking the trailer right now, the delivery trailer. We're gonna load this up, try to get it calibrated, make sure it's weighing up right. Then we gotta go work on the drill a bit. We're gonna pull out those augers on the metering system just to make sure they're not worn out. We haven't ever pulled those out. It's an older drill. It's seen a few acres, a bunch of product gone through it, so it'll just be nice to know if those are worn out, if they need replaced or not. So we're gonna do that while we wait. We'll call it his first try. So these, on the bottom of the carts here, these augers that meter the product, we're gonna pull those out. Hopefully it's easy, we've never done it before. And hopefully they're still in good shape. We just wanna check them to make sure. You guys, I'm sorry You didn't get to see any of that on camera. Shit was not going our way. We had a hydraulic line blow and rain down hydraulic oil on us. So I wasn't really in the mood of filming. So yeah. But to prove I do some work, because I'm sure you guys think Brent does everything, I'm gonna clean this up. It's just some spilled canola and beans from the seed tender. Brent, can you finish? Well, we signed the papers to new combine. Thanks, boys. Brent's happy to get a hat. $300,000 for that hat. Get a free combine with it. You believed me? Come on. I have no money. I got $5 in the bank account, but you know. You guys, look at this hat. Ugly mug. What? About time you did some work. You missed a spot, Brent. Brent left me. He went to go down to the drill to change some hydraulic piece that blew up on us. Next, we're gonna fix that tear in on the tarp. It's just kind of right there. If you guys see that, you see how that tarp sits to the side like that? That is because this grain box is designed as a silage M dump as well. So the entire box is tapered. You can see here, this is completely separated there all the way to the top. So just undo some bolts underneath. And then there's a PTO lever that engages from the cab. And that just swings up. Yeah, so it takes that entirely out of the way. So that has to be to the side there so that the end dump can lift all the way up. Just the little things. So we've never actually used this for silage, but you can see the pivot points in here. Probably be a smart idea to take the ribs off the top, and maybe it'd be smarter to take the entire tarp off. But man, I guess we should have cleaned this out and get this ready for fertilizer too. Really wish I could see what you're doing up there. Just me all alone on the ground. I haven't been in the office in a month. What the heck? Here for a solid 5 minutes. Spent one of those minutes collecting some stuff. The other 4 minutes checking TikTok. Yeah, I'm still TikTok famous, guys. What up? Me and my 126 followers. Found one of Brent's only friends. Hey, little guy. Ah, God. Ah! That thing's scary as heck. What? I got pictures of it. It's like trying to bite me. Ah, God damn it. Screw that. I'm done. Oh, God. It's gonna eat me. First load of the day. Bright and early. 10 o'clock. 10:30. Oh. M35. 501. That. 75. 27 a.m. Oh, that'll be the same as that. Get some. What a shitty starting truck. It's been doing that lately. I don't know why. Brent found that little snake in the shop. It was probably pretty cold and hibernating. So we brought it outside. It's day 2, baby. Delivering seed with the boys. Well, the one boy. Well, day 2 for the video, you know. It's like, you know, I don't even know what I'm saying. Lots to do today. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so pedal to the metal. You do that a lot, that noise. Drop one. Oh, there's a unit. Busy in the yard today. Second drop. Look at that unit. What a beast. Man, I love that. Sea-Dock drill, Virgo tank, behemoth of a tractor. Nice. Mint.
Straight, she said, no, I'm fine. She said, I can drop. I said,
Well, we got into this one, but not close enough to the shed. So Brent's gonna have to hand bomb those. Good thing it's only a small amount of corn bags. Little muddy. Done that load, head back for another one. Round two. What'd you break now? Oh, just changing the probe. Changing the probe, eh? A little bit of everything.
I had to sneeze, but it left me.
We're not driving Miss Daisy here. Let's get on with it, Brent.
Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, oh, Mom. Tucked in the back there, it's a curling rink in Basswood. Never been used in years. This is where my first high school party was. And had some peach fuzz back then. Still do. Ha! Got a helper, Brent.
Huh?
You got a helper.
I love this dog.
Okay, now don't fall in love with it. Can't take it home. Next load. Nice unit here. Oh, they got the liquid kit too. It's going on forever. Come here. So Brent left picking signs till the very last minute last year and they got frozen in, so now he's cleaning them up. 6 months later. Had to mark them with orange tape just so we didn't lose them. And nobody hit them with the sleds or equipment. This was corn last year. 7005, baby. Big, big, big bushels.
What's in there?
Nothing, just get it.
My little
Take your pants off,
tadpoles.
take your underwear off, and go swimming. Oh God, he's doing it. He's doing it, you guys, he's doing it.
That's cool.
Stop complaining. Brent, my hand's cramping, hurry up. Don't tell Brent, but we could have.
Don't tell me what.
We could have done this later. Not like they're gonna be seeding in this anytime soon. They still gotta do some of those canola swaths under the ground. Oh my gosh. It almost hit. Brent did this for you guys. He did it so you'd thumbs up this video because he's gotta do all these push-ups for you. I did say that, right? Every like this video gets, Brent does a push-up. So he just waded into that water for you guys. So show him some love. Like, subscribe.
The consequences of waiting too long to pick out field signs.
Yeah, it's his
They
fault.
get frozen in the ground.
So
Stupid.
we're just gonna cut the video off here because can't get any better than that. So hit like, subscribe, share with your friends. Yeah, peace. You got some good looking feet, Brent.
I've been asked to be a foot model before.